it's like when I was like joining before Industry Connect, I was trying to like getting the knowledge, but not the experience. Like I know like, okay, I'm reading the React, but I actually don't know that, okay, I have to do like this. Then after I joined Industry Connect, I got a task. At that time, that things really help. Actually, you have something that you have to do it in 15 days. So it will put you in your mind, okay, you have to finish it, no matter what. So at that time, in that process, I actually upgrade my skill a lot. Like in a first task, I started with the React, and I didn't finish task in the time, but like in the engineering goes inside, I started with the React. Then after I started with the Redux, I showed the demo of the Shannon as well. Like that Shannon, I have done Redux as well. The first program I made with the state management as well. And even on the backend side, I was also using the microservices pattern or the repository pattern. Like I did in the first start, probably they didn't check the coding style, but I was using that pattern as well from the first task. So that, and the more way goes, and I upgraded myself. Like then after I got in a technical task, at that time I was like, okay, what their coding technique and what I have to do. Like I was trying to like manage the 80 to 90% that same coding technique, because when I started that my first onboarding task, I was making the same thing that you guys are making, like making the small functions and reusable rewriting code, and the same things like that helped me on technical task as well at the same time. So that was really good. I upgraded my skill a lot from Industry Connect. Then after Ray contact me and he gave me like that, okay, you have to do for the scrapping things and all. So that's also new for me. I learned that as well, and he actually gave me the task to create the whole architecture of the particular module. So I create that program from basic to zero, like this, the one we have, the talent portal, that with the microservices and all, repository pattern, the same pattern I use for the scrapping that particular module. And hosting and design is really good.
Awesome.
I learned a lot of technology. Like after Redux state management, moved to Diva, quite similar, easy and everything, but like little bit juggling around. Like first program when I have done on that, like that, I just simply finished that and design, and Ray was like, there is no state management. Okay, you have to try by this way. Then after I take 1 week again, and I just finished my task again by that particular way. Like he was trying to making me upgrade, and that was really good that I upgrade my skill a lot. Then I moved to the Flutter. Like it was ongoing task, and like no one actually told me, but I was really like to integrate with the new technology. It's really good to like go with the flow, and you have to make your own things. Like in between that, in the onboarding task and the technical task, I even manage my own Corona portfolio and my own personal website. Both tasks goes parallel together. So because after learning from MVP Studio, I was trying to apply that things for myself as well. Like, okay, we have made this, that's for the GitHub repository. Let's make for the portfolio. Then after I goes for the portfolio, and then after I make 2-3 portfolio by learning from the MVP Studio. That was really quite good experience and good upgrading skills from my side. Yes, it is really good that in this platform you can actually get the experience of that how you will be working in a company. So it will be give you from the basic to advanced level, and also in meantime that you can upgrade your skill as well. And one more thing I would like to add, like in an interview, they not only asking for the what skills, they are asking as well that what you have done. Because I faced that situation. Whatever mention things like that, even in a skill list, even in my project description list, my interviewer was asking me about this line. that you mentioning that you are doing this, you have done the scrapping. Tell me how you have done this scrapping. So I have to mention that I actually give a demo of that. Okay, this is the way I have done. And the other side, when the skill list goes on, even and that there was, I mentioned that architecture pattern for the repository pattern and the microservices. So he asked me about the question as well, that okay, tell me about the how did you make the repository pattern, what did you, and so when you make your own things, by the upgrading your skills, you will get everything. So that's the main important question I face in an interview as well, that you have to make your own portfolio as well in meantime, so a recruiter can see and they can analyze your actual profile, that okay, this guy have their own thinking as well at the same time.